Hey, Dr. Noor. When
Hi.
should a parent be worried about a cough?
So cough can mean many things. So the main timeline that we worry a little bit about cough is if the cough is persistent or worsening over a week to 2 weeks, is when we get a little bit more concerned. Usually, viral coughs are lingering. They last only up to like about a week or two, but they usually get better with time. However, if it's persistent, that's when we get worried. And then, of course, any difficulty breathing, babies tugging when breathing, and breathing is increased, that's when we get concerned as well too. And this applies to not only babies, toddlers, but also children as well.